Okay, so after discussing all those topics about culinary, I had to come up with some conclusion, and here what is I think about deciding to pursue in a career in culinary art is one of many big decisions that you will make for your future. Another big decision is whether or not you want to pursue a culinary diploma or degree. The answer that the question weighs heavy on the type of your career that you want to pursue. What's up you guys, it's Pritam here. So, people considering a culinary degree or diploma are often asked that why bother to going to culinary school? Can't you just learn on the job? And it is true, just like an actor doesn't have to take acting classes and writer doesn't have to study journalism to achieve success, and a career in the food industry doesn't really require a formal culinary education. So what do you think? I think in today's date that at least you need some basic knowledge before you say to yourself that okay Pritam, that I will become the greatest chef ever and own the 3-star fine dining Michelin restaurant that will only serve well those who can afford to eat in the fine dining. But the cold hard truth is, my friend, is that world does not work and will not work that way most of the time. But instead, if you spend a little time focusing on education, then you can reap the more degrees or diplomas. And why many students like you and me find them so important to achieve long-term success. But before that, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe this channel for YouTube algorithm. So remember, every time you smash the like button, it helps this channel to up and running, and it's completely free, and I dedicated this video to my mother. Thank you, Ma. The education advantage, some say that culinary school is unnecessary because books can learn on the job. And while there are certain lessons that best taught in the professional kitchen, like how to work around others on a crowded line or how to manage your time during service, there are unique benefits to the classroom setting that can be replicated in a working kitchen. So it's always better to take your time and learn the basics, then you can continue working with the confidence that you know that what are you doing in a professional kitchen. Another thing is, learning is your job at the very first time. So what I mean by that, in professional kitchen, your job to get to those potatoes peeled or those hollandaise prepped for the service, and the executive chef's job is to get the food out of the door to serve the hungry customer or the guest. As long as you can complete the tasks assigned to you, your supervisor may not have the time to incentivize to help that you expanded on your culinary skills. And even if you find a great chef or mentor, you still have to complete your assigned task before you focus on learning a culinary student's job. So on the other hand is to learn as much as possible as a student, and your chef instructor's job is to teach you, everyone working towards the same goal and providing you with the knowledge and the tools that you'll need to be successful. So this environment lets you to ask questions, ask you think, you will make mistakes, and practice will make you perfect without holding up the service or wasting restaurant's product. That's what school is all about. There you will be learning the most. And then it comes to the point that understand why, not just how, if you want to be creative in the kitchen. You need to understand why certain techniques give you a desired result that you want, and why do the savory dishes benefits from a hint of acidity. Why do you add eggs into the cake without underlaying an understanding of the basic culinary principle that you find yourself unable to make substitution or alteration that will hindering your way to creativity. In culinary school, the chef instructor are readily available for you and explain the science and the logic behind these techniques, which will become the tools of your experimental toolbox in the future, and that will give you an edge early on your journey, on your career. And yes, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe this channel for the YouTube algorithm if you haven't done that already. It's completely free with no cost to you and help this channel to grow and give you more valuable information that you actually need. So it comes to my mind, goes with that traveling, it's really a big part. Traveling the culinary world is so important. This can be a major draw, wider range of variety and food styles to make and prepare for. So this comes with a subject area in each culinary program that you will learn in similar skills However, the culinary arts degree will further develop it into an importance management skill and other opportunities in the field. However, the both programs will give you a solid foundation in the cooking or the culinary skill. The degree will educate you to the management skill, industry trends, business ethics, principles, and even food costs. As a student studying to be an executive chef, you will be required to come up with distinctive menu and purchase the food and oversee the kitchen. Therefore, a degree would be better suited for the student aspiring to be a head or executive chef or a restaurant manager. Okay, so after discussing all those topics about culinary, I had to come up with some conclusion, and here what is I think about deciding to pursue in a career in culinary art is one of many big decisions that you will make for your future. Another big decision is whether or not you want to pursue a culinary diploma or degree. The answer that the question weighs heavy on the type of your career that you want to pursue. Both options provided the advantages. However, if you would like to get into hotel management, like into management or in the food service industry, in a higher level of education is generally required. Now let's dive deeper into the key differences between the culinary arts diploma versus the culinary arts degree. So what do you think is your actual goal is? If your goal is to simply get a job in a restaurant kitchen, consider learning on the job with a good mentor. And I know that may seem like surprising advice from a culinary person like me, but employers are desperate for talents. Culinary school is expensive, first of all, and it's a popular misconception that you need a degree to get your foot in the door. While that may be a little bit of true for top kitchens or restaurant, you can learn a lot from working full-time in the right time at the right environment and supplementing your work with reading classes. And I hope that concept, the idea of your thinking, and that's for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe this channel for YouTube algorithm, and you can follow me on Instagram as well. Thank you. I'll see you next week.